In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an Add to Google Calendar link in a Gmail email. Imagine sending an important meeting invitation that not only provides all the essential details, but also allows the recipient to add the event to their Google Calendar with a single click. This small addition can make a big difference in ensuring your event is remembered and attended. So, let's dive into how you can do this effortlessly from your Gmail account. First, you'll want to start by creating the event on Google Calendar. Head over to your Google Calendar, which you can find easily by typing Google Calendar into your web browser's search engine. Once there, look for the Create button, usually represented by a plus sign or simply labeled as Create. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a form to input your event details. Fill in the necessary information such as the event title, date, time, and any specific details such as location and a description of the agenda. It's important to be as descriptive as possible to ensure your invitees have all the information they need. Now that your event is set up, it's time to find that all-important link. After saving your event, click back into it on your calendar. You'll see a section labeled More Options or something similar, where you can explore additional settings and preferences for your event. One of these options will lead you to the Add Guests section. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Add Conference Call or Video Call, or it may directly show Add Google Calendar Event Link. This is the link you'll want to copy. It's the magic ingredient that allows recipients to add the event to their calendar quickly. With your event link copied, open a new tab and navigate to your Gmail account. It's time to draft that email. Click on Compose to start a new email. In the body of your email, craft a message that both informs and invites your recipients to the event. Somewhere within your email text, you'll want to create a hyperlink with the phrase Add to Google Calendar, or something similarly straightforward. To do this, simply highlight your chosen text, right-click, and select Insert Link from the drop-down menu. A box will appear where you can paste the link you copied earlier from Google Calendar. Once that's in place, click OK to set the hyperlink. And there you have it. Your email is now equipped with an Add to Google Calendar link. Before hitting send, it's always a good idea to test the link yourself, just to make sure everything runs smoothly. And there you go. With just a few steps, your invitations are now not only informative but interactive, ensuring that your events are front and center on your recipients' calendars. Remember to use this tool for any future events and meetings to enhance your communication. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.